Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, introduces our all-new FlowFX catback exhaust system for the 2019 Ram 1500 with a 5.7-liter V8 engine. This easy-to-install bolt-on catback exhaust system is manufactured using all-durable 409S stainless steel and features 3-inch inlet pipe leading into a single inlet, dual-outlet FlowFX straight-through muffler for a great sound and maximum performance. Then splits into a dual 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipes. The system is then finished off with a pair of large 4.5-inch black ceramic-coated 304S stainless steel tips, giving your truck a custom look that goes hand in hand with a deep performance FlowFX sound. The new FlowFX catback exhaust system delivers a deep, powerful tone inside and outside the vehicle with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and all Flowmaster systems are dyno-tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking to give your Ram 1500 more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system is for you. The kit includes all necessary parts and hardware and detailed instructions for a simple at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.